Jai Hind to all. I, Senior Under Officer Jaya Rathod from Five Raj Independent Company, NCC Bhilwara, MLB Government College. Today we are presenting demographic trends in India. Demography is the study of human populations, their size, composition and distribution across space and the process through which populations change. Births, deaths and migration are the big three of demography. India is the second most populated country in the world with nearly a fifth of the world's population. According to the 2019 Division of the World Population Prospects, the population stood at 135 crore 26 lakh 42,280. To understand demographic trends in India, there are some parameters which are showing as a content. Demographic indicators. Introduction. The disciplines of demography, epidemiology, and public health all are concerned with human populations, which epidemiology dependent on demography and public health dependent on both demography and epidemiology. Demography addresses human populations are population per se, that is their sizes and structures. It is the scientific study of human population. Demographic indicators. Total population, population growth rate, natural annual growth rate of the population, international migration, total fertility rate, TFR, changing pattern of population age structure. Age and sex composition. Age and sex structure are an important biological attributes of any population. These factors affect demographic structure, social, economic, and political status of any society. India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25 and more than 65% below the age of 35. Overall, only the content of the Africa exists the linguistic, genetic and cultural diversity of the nation of India. The sex ratio was 944 females for 1000 males in 2016 and 940 per 1000 in 2011. As pyramid, a population pyramid, also called an age-gender pyramid, is a graphical illustration that shows the distribution of various age groups in a population, typically that of a country or region of the world, which forms the shape of a pyramid when the population is growing. Males are conventionally shown on the left and females on the right, and they may be measured by raw number or as a percentage of the total population. This tool can be used to visualize the age of a particular population. Sex ratio. The sex ratio was 944 females for 1000 males in 2016 and 940 per 1000 in 2011. This ratio has been showing as an upwards trend for the last two decades after a continuous decline in the last century. Dependency ratio. The dependency ratio is a measure of the number of the dependents aged 0 to 14 and over the age of 65 compared with the total population aged 15 to 64. This demographic indicator gives insight into the number of people of non-working age compared with the number of those of working age. Density of population. India is the second most populated country in the world with nearly a fifth of the world's population. According to the 2019 revision of the world population prospects, the population stood at 135 crore 26 lakh 42,280. Between 1975 and 2010, the population doubled to 1.2 billion, reaching the billion mark in 1998. India is projected to surpass China to become the world's most populous country by 2024. It is expected to become the first country to be home to more than 1.5 billion people by 2030, and its population is set to reach 1.7 billion by 2050. Its population growth rate is 1.13%, ranking 112th in the world in 2017. Urbanization. The population residing in urban areas in India, according to the 1991 census, was 11.4%, increasing to 28.53% by the 2001 census, and is now currently 34% in 2017, according to the World Bank. According to a survey by UN in 2030, 40.76% of countries' population is expected to reside in urban areas. Family size. The term family size is used to the number of individuals in the family. The family includes both adult members and children. In the context of fertility decisions, the term family size is sometimes used to refer to the number of children currently alive. Literacy and education. While the overall literacy rate works out to be 64.8%, the male literacy rate is a 75.3%, and that for females is 53.7%, showing us a gap of 21.6% points between the sexes is the national level. The literacy rates for rural population are the highest in Kerala, followed by Lakshadweep, Mizoram, Goa and Delhi. Life expectancy. The term life expectancy refers to the number of years a person can expect to live. By definition, life expectancy is based on an estimate of the average age that members of a particular population group will be when they die. Thank you.